Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is an Animal Company video, not a grab video. Next grab video. I forgot to do the the 100 sub special map every weekend. Sorry about that. I guess I'm busy on the weekends too, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do one every month. Nah, cause that'd be whatever. Every month. I don't know, dude. I don't know, bro. Whatever. So today I'm gonna be telling you how to get the scanner alone. How to get the scanner alone. Like I have 4 of them in my stash right here. See, I got 4 of them. What you're gonna need is some broccoli bombs. A lot of broccoli bombs. So just grab a lot of broccoli bombs. Just grab broccoli bombs. And then eat some broccoli bombs. Okay? Then put the bag of broccoli bombs in your stash. No, we're not doing any duping glitches. Now just take an umbrella and a bag. You can use, if you don't have the big bag, you can ask somebody for the big bags, or you can just use a smaller one. But for me, I just like using the big bags because who doesn't? It has the most storage. It's just good. So, this first part is to just get coins. Now, if you already have coins, a lot of coins, then you can just use those. But, personally, I don't want to use them right now. So, go up to the clown man. Hi, I'm Pal. I was trying to say fella and pal at the same time, and it said foul. So, yeah, you could grab an extra coin if you want to. Now, what I like to do is I like to try to, like, complete this normally using the umbrella to boost you, but then when you fall, you use the umbrella. I like to do that. You don't have to. I actually recommend don't do it like that. I just do it for fun. I've done this many times. So what you're actually meant to do is get hit and then fly over with the umbrella, and then you have your coins. If you want to, the trampoline's also there, but like just a trampoline. Now you can repeat this as many times as you want. I'm gonna do it again and show you the way you're supposed to. Or well, not the way Animal Company intended, but like the way that what I was telling you guys to do. You know what I'm talking about. Don't fall. So now, you're in. Now, what you're gonna do is go in here. Yeah, now just go forward. Now, boom. Coins just be falling. Pick them up. Now, I think that should be enough coins. However many scanners you want, just get enough. Now, I actually recommend also grabbing a couple MREs. You don't have to get MREs, but if you're being absolutely like, I'm not taking any risks, I'm going to use this to get, like, no matter, because if you if you do it one way, where you won't get damaged, then you only need 2 broccolis, and you can't get it if it's at the bottom of the machine. But the other way, you get damaged literally down to the amount of health, where if you don't get in slow enough, which actually might sound weird, but like if you don't get in slow enough, then you'll die. What the? Oh, I bought a new bag. Okay, yeah. Ignore that. You should put the bag with the broccoli. Where's it? 20 broccoli. You should put the bag with the. What is happening? I just have 2. Okay, I don't know what's happening. I think I might have just had 2 bags on my back at once. That is insane. Now, you just gotta pick those up, put on your back. I like to use a teleport gun because it's good. Teleport guns are good. Teleport guns are really good for this because if you don't, one time I forgot to bring my teleport gun, and the bags were so heavy because I had like a bag full of coins. It wasn't just 12. It was like an actual bag full, like 24 coins, full of coins. So what you're gonna do, you don't need the teleport gun for this part. I just use it to get from there to here, but I'm gonna dump out a coin, put it in the machine, go up on the staircase. I recommend going like right here, grabbing 2. If you're doing the no, like you're going to do it no matter what, you're gonna get it, then you get 3. So what you're gonna do is if you want to, you could take it up like here. Not sure how well that'll work. 1, 2, 3. Now, all you gotta do is grab these. Just go. Scout out the scanner. Grab the scanner. Try to keep your body off the ground. Like, do this. Face down. And push on the walls. Now when you become small again, you should have like almost no HP. Just wait for it to end. Just wait for the claw machine thing to end. You have the scanner in your hand. You can also use this to farm other items that are in the claw machine, like the hoverboard or whatever's down there. Now you'll have this much HP left, and you have a scanner. Yeah, so now you have a scanner, and you eat the MRE if you want to go again. Just eat an MRE. If you want to, you can eat 2. I only brought 3, so I can only do this twice. Okay. So now, you have your stuff. You got the thing. Got the scanner. The one with the coins. Personally, I like to put the scanner in the back of the coins. Now, grab. Let's do the 2. Let's do 2 this time. Sorry, I'm burping a lot of my videos. Let's do 2 this time. Okay, I might have lied about the no damage. You might take a little bit, but see, if it's all the way down there, I can't reach it. But you can push down on the ceiling. If it's there or there, you can get it, but if it's all the way down there, you cannot get it. So, that's why I like to do the make sure. I call it the make sure method, because actually I don't think you might not be able to die with the make sure method unless you somehow do. I don't know how you die from the make sure method, because I think if you take damage as a giant, take a lot of damage when you're giant, and then when you go back to small, then you just be at 1 HP, I think, because it'd be kind of stupid if you were just big and you were low HP, and then you were walking around, and then when the thing wore off, you just kind of died out of nowhere. So I think they implemented a feature where you can't do that, or you can't just die. I'm gonna do the make sure method. I'm gonna do the make sure method one more time. So it should take about only probably 5 minutes to get a couple scanners. To get a scanner, probably take 5 minutes. Now I just take this, throw it out over there. What the? I'm sliding, but see, you take the, jump in, pop, pop. No. Grab the scanner. You can hold yourself up if you want to. Now, boom! You have scanners. So yeah, that's how to get scanners quick and alone. Because if none of your friends are online, then I don't think you're gonna have luck in a public server. Which one was this? Broccoli. Okay. So, where'd I put it? No way. I lost my scanner, bro. No way. Oh, no, wait. It's right here. No, wait. These are the 2. Oh, whatever. That's how to get scanners quick, easy, and alone. So, yeah. I don't know why I came up with this. I just saw a video where someone became big in the machine, and the person who's controlling it, they just put it down a little bit, and I thought, hey, I should do that with 3 broccolis instead of 2, or no, I think they actually only use 1. I should do that with 3 broccolis instead of 1, so that I can make it easier. So yeah, I did that. It worked, and now I'm making a video on it. Well, that's the end of the video.